All right, let's bring in meteorologist Kellianne Klass because rain is something that we're going to talk about right now. And Kellianne, the impacts next week in the middle of the week from whatever Sarah may bring our way.
And you know, thankfully, Sarah is not going to be a significant tropical system. And honestly, I don't even think it's going to be a tropical storm at that point or even a tropical depression. It looks like a lot of the remnants from Sarah will push into our direction and bring us rainfall, but that's it. That's all we're talking about. So we can breathe a sigh of relief. Thankfully, we don't have to worry about significant impacts. But for those still dealing with flooding, we're going to be watching how much rainfall we receive from the remnant of Sarah. Right now, Sarah's a tropical storm with winds of 45 miles per hour, briefly expected to strengthen to winds of 50 miles per hour this weekend before it moves into Belize as a tropical storm and then quickly fading into a tropical depression. After that, all of those remnants are going to move into the Gulf of Mexico. And then as we go towards Tuesday into Wednesday, there is still a little bit of some question marks about where all the rainfall is going to go. European lifts the system more north, closer to the northern Gulf Coast, and brings all of the moisture into a cold front, whereas the GFS still remains its own low, but this cold front pushes that low and all of the rainfall just southwest of Central Florida, giving us lower rain chances, whereas the European gives us higher rain chances because the moisture leads into that cold front. The cold front works across Central Florida. So again, depending on which scenario pans out is going to highly impact our rain. GFS much lower with the rainfall, focusing more of that heavier rainfall into Southwest Florida and even the Sun Coast, whereas the European gives us about 1 to 2 inches of precipitation with some locally higher amounts. All in all, it's actually going to be a relatively nice stretch of weather next week. We just have Wednesday that we're going to deal with that rain, which is why you'll see on that 7-day forecast it's an impact day. Okay, let's get you outside right now here in Lake County. Santa and Mrs. Klaus are blowing around. We have a Christmas tree blowing around. That is all thanks to a cold front moving in. This cold front also bringing us a couple of showers this morning. That's approaching the I-4 corridor. As we take a look in Sumter County, most of the rainfall now working from Bushnell down to Bay Lake up towards Claremont, Ferndale, Grove into Asatula, moving away from Tavares into Sorrento and even parts of Zellwood and Apopka, and a few more showers on the way to Deltona and Sanford. Most of the rainfall in Samsula, New Smyrna Beach have cleared out. So as we get the kids ready for school, we're watching for a few showers, but this afternoon, all the rainfall clears out, high pressure moves in, and we'll have lots of sunshine going into the afternoon. And temperatures today slowly warming into the mid-70s. Right now, a lot of us are comfortable into the 60s, couple of 70s, and our highs today mid-70s all around with a couple of upper 70s south of the metro. Today, by the way, our winds pick up around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Still a bit breezy tonight and into tomorrow, where tomorrow morning we're waking up to temperatures in the 50s, then 70s as highs for Saturday and Sunday.